Few homeowners enjoy cleaning their gutters, but knowing how to tend to them can keep your home and property in tip-top shape throughout the year. While this task can be easy to put off, it's not that difficult, and with some preparation, can be even easier the next time around. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. You know, taking care of your house and getting up on a ladder and cleaning out those gutters is something that we all need to do, or at least arrange for someone to do. But today, we want to talk about that process. We want to talk about everything you need to know about cleaning your gutters. Cleaning schedule. When your gutters and downspouts are filled with debris, water can collect at the base of your home's foundation. This can lead to expensive and preventable damage. Cleaning your gutters at least biannually during the fall and spring is key. If you live next to a lot of trees or have encountered a storm recently that has stirred up debris, you may need to give your gutters extra attention. Best cleaning techniques. You may find your ideal cleaning supplies through trial and error, but you will absolutely need gloves, a sturdy ladder, and a hose. Some homeowners choose to use buckets or biodegradable yard bags, gutter scoops, or a trowel, and a spray hose for their garden hose, and a spray nozzle for their garden hose. If you need extra pressure when spraying gutters and downspouts, you can opt to use a pressure washer to make the job easier. When removing debris, start at the downspout and work your way to the closed end of your gutters. Be sure to practice ladder safety while you work, and opt for a few days after a big rain. Allowing the debris to dry can make the removal easier. And gutter maintenance and prep. Cleaning out your gutters isn't enough to keep them in top shape. You need to be aware of issues like cracks, rust, mold, or sagging when inspecting your gutters. Sealant can be used to repair leaks at the end of your gutters, but replace any sections that are cracked or split. Touch up the weather-resistant paint on rust spots. For areas with rust or mold, look for reasons this area may have been exposed to constant or standing water, such as a clog. If the problem persists or your gutters are sagging, replace them. Finally, consider installing gutter guards. This easy installation will keep most debris out of your gutters, making your job even easier the next time. I thank you for watching today. I'm Mark Renner. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. This is my logo. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and recently I was honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. My contact information is scrolling below, but please feel free to call me or email me if you'd like any further explanation on any of my videos, or if you have any real estate questions at all. I simply see my mission as striving to be as helpful as I possibly can to area homeowners. I hope this and my other videos provides you with the information you need to be an informed homeowner. Please give me a call at 402-690-1687 or email me at mark@markrenner.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and please be safe.